So the correct order is that she asks for the behaviour, she marks the response, and then she reaches for the treat and delivers the treat. Let's demonstrate that.
Sit. Thank you. Let's do it again. Sit.
Awesome. So what would be wrong if she delivered the treat first? Let's see what that looks like.
Sit.
So what did she mark? Did she mark the sit? What about if she marks the sit too early? I wonder what happens then.
Sit.
So not very effective, is it? What about if she marks the sit way too late?
Sit.
That wasn't too bad actually, because Ines is used to doing a sit. We've just got increased duration. But for a novice learner, that would happen. The dog gets up before you actually have a chance to mark the behaviour. So let's show you again the right way.
Listo.
Perfect.